Choosing the right interior door installation service is an important decision for homeowners in Doral, Florida. The right doors can transform the appearance of your home, improve functionality, and even add value to your property. However, to achieve a flawless installation and ensure lasting results, it's crucial to find the best professionals for the job. Here's a guide to help you make an informed choice when selecting interior door installation services in Doral. Assess your needs before you start your search. It's essential to understand your needs and goals for the project. Are you looking for a simple replacement, or do you need custom-sized doors? Do you want specific materials like wood, glass, or composite doors, or are you considering a unique style such as barn doors, French doors, or pocket doors? Knowing your preferences and requirements will help narrow down your options when evaluating potential contractors. Research local companies. Begin your search by identifying local interior door installation services in Doral. A quick online search can yield many results, but take time to explore each company's website, read about their services, and note their contact information. Pay attention to companies that specialize in interior doors, as they are more likely to have the expertise needed for high-quality results. Read customer reviews and testimonials. Customer reviews and testimonials offer valuable insight into the quality of service you can expect. Visit review platforms like Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau, BBB, to see what past customers have said about their experiences. Look for companies with consistently high ratings and positive feedback regarding professionalism, punctuality, communication, and workmanship. Be wary of companies with numerous negative reviews or unresolved complaints. Verify licensing and insurance. Any contractor working on your home should be licensed and insured to operate in Florida. Proper licensing indicates that the company meets state requirements for training and safety. Insurance, on the other hand, protects you in case of any accidents, damages, or injuries during the installation process. Ask to see proof of licensing and insurance before hiring a company. Check their experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to interior door installation. Companies that have been in the business for several years are more likely to have refined their techniques, dealt with various door styles, and honed their customer service skills. Ask potential contractors about their experience, how many similar projects they have completed, and whether they specialize in the type of doors you want installed. Evaluate the range of products and options. A great interior door installation company should offer a wide selection of door styles, materials, and customization options. Whether you prefer modern minimalist doors or intricate traditional designs, having a variety of options allows you to choose the perfect door for your space. Additionally, ask if the company can accommodate custom sizes or designs if your project requires it. Request quotes and compare prices. Get detailed quotes from at least 3 different companies. Be sure each quote includes the cost of the doors, labor, hardware, and any additional fees or services, such as removing and disposing of old doors. Comparing quotes will help you identify which company offers the best value for your budget. However, be cautious about choosing based solely on price. Quality and reputation should weigh heavily in your decision. Ask about warranties and guarantees. Reputable interior door installation services typically offer warranties on their products and workmanship. A warranty demonstrates the company's confidence in its work and provides you with peace of mind in case any issues arise after installation. Be sure to ask about the duration and specifics of any warranties offered before making a final decision. Assess communication and customer service. From the initial consultation to the completion of the project, clear and open communication is key to a smooth experience. Pay attention to how responsive the company is to your inquiries, whether they provide thorough answers to your questions, and if they offer guidance on selecting the right doors for your space. A company that prioritizes customer service and transparency is more likely to deliver a satisfying experience. Visit showrooms or request samples. If possible, visit the company's showroom to see their selection of doors in person. This allows you to assess the quality of their materials, craftsmanship, and finishes. Alternatively, you can ask for samples or a portfolio of past projects to get a better sense of the company's work. Conclusion: finding the best interior door installation service in Doral requires careful research and consideration. By assessing your needs, reading customer reviews, verifying credentials, and comparing options, you can choose a company that meets your expectations and delivers outstanding results. The right professionals will not only enhance the look of your home but also ensure that your interior doors function flawlessly for years to come. Investing the time to choose wisely is worth the beautiful and long-lasting results.